Okay, so this is a Brinks style with the hidden screws, entry door. This is deadbolt. To take these off, you pop this cap off, but this just pulls off. You know, like when you slam the door, you hear something fall, it's this coming off. There's two hidden screws back here. But I'm focusing on, I'm going to replace this, but I'm focused on this. This handle is so hard to turn, it gets stuck. So I finally got a new method. So, a new door handle. So what you do is, before you pop this off like I did, make sure you leave it in its location. Because this little hole is where we're going to use a tool like this. Just don't stab yourself. You got to stick it in the hole, and you're going to feel for the lump. And the lump will move. It's spring loaded. Now, using something like this is going to be a little hard to stay on there because it's going to want to fall off. Get some light on here. Now, you still can't see it, but I can see it. And I'll show you once I take this off. Alright, so I have it pushed in. I'm going to try to hold this with my other finger without messing up the phone. And I'm going to wiggle this a little bit to get it to come off. I slipped off. Alright, I think I got it this time. That's where I need that third hand to hold this phone. There, popped it. So, I'll pull this off and show you what's going on in here. Right. So there's the access hole, and this is what I was pushing on. So, slide this back over. This is the setup. So once this is over, if you're going to put this handle back on, you would have to make sure that plate is on here. You have to stick this through the hole. And what's happening here is you're pushing on this right here. And this piece is going in so that the handle can go back on. So through the hole, you're pushing on this so that the handle will go on and off. Pull this out. Now it's on. So if the plate was here and I'm sticking this through the hole, I'm pushing on this. Like that. And I'm pulling like that. Take this out of the hole. And this comes off. That's how you get the handle off. Same on the other side. Actually, the other side might fall off once I take these two screws off. Because I already took this off. So, let's see. Maybe I'll just keep the video going. Now, let me open this before I... stick my foot in the door. I can't stand these Brinks. Some people like them, some people don't. I don't. And what's going to happen here is I'm going to have to do it the same way on the other side. And I probably shouldn't have taken the... Yeah, because see, here's the access hole on the bottom. And I already loosened this. Let's see if I could do it with... Yeah, probably not. Have to probably put this back in. Oh, duh. That's what happens when you're working so much and you're trying to do something quick when you first get home before you even get out of your work uniform. So that's how you take apart a Brinks Now this is probably going to have the same with the access hole, I'm guessing. I don't know, I could be wrong. I don't see it in there. But at least on the outboard or the interior handle, you have that piece right here that you're going to use that tool to push in and out. When this plate is over top, when this cover is over top. So, all right. Thanks for watching.